Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This week I sound rough as hell because I've just come home from park life last night and I'm absolutely knackered, but we move, and today we're going to be doing some servicing bits on Suzie the Swift. She's going in to a garage to do the oil and filter change. Only reason I'm not doing it is because I've just not got the time or facilities this year to do it, but next time when it comes around, or when I say this year I mean every 10k miles, which is what I service this at. I think that's about right. I don't know, I've never really checked on it, probably should. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. And then I've got some coolant. I've done an assessment of the brakes. I know what I need to do to those. I'm probably just going to get some nice vented rear discs and some new calipers for when they want painting again. The pads are all right and stuff, so that's not to be worried about. And yeah, what else have I got? I've got a cabin filter. I've got a new air filter, which I'm changing from the cone style filter. I've gone for a mushroom filter this time. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to showcase a couple of bits that I've done in the meantime to this car that you might have missed as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Right, so we'll start off the service with this little pollen filter, and to change that you literally just need to pop the glove box out. Let's see if I remember how to do this. I think it just comes off the runners. Yep, and you've got a little black box there that just comes off with a clip either side, I believe. I can't remember, it's been a while since I've done this. Yep, there it is. And then there's your filter. This one, oh my god, this one's absolutely well and truly destroyed. Jesus, look at the state of that. Yeah, definitely time for a new one. Grab this nice new looking one, whichever side the box opens, just like that, and you want it to be placed that way, so airflow goes that way, and that's right. So we'll slap that in there. Happy days, she's in place. Pop our cap back over it, like so. And that is pretty much that. I think it goes in this way, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Or does it? Does it? Does it not? Oh, Christ knows. Let's try this way. Hopefully you can all see roughly what's going on. I know half the dashboard's in the way, but yeah, that's back in there, and it's as simple as that. You've just got to catch this back into place, and then you're all sorted. I can't remember where this goes back in either. It should be fun trying to get it in. But yeah, you get the gist of it. I'll put this glove box back in my own time. And then next we're moving into the engine bay, where I've got, conveniently in a milk bottle because I've diluted it, some screen wash, and I've got some coolant to go in as well. And I've made some slight changes under here since the last time you guys have seen it. I took off this heat shield because it was catching on the air filter and I wasn't happy with it, and I've made a little rendition to this so it actually holds its own weight and it's not holding on this. Also I've got a HKS rad cap, which is really, really cool, and I've also added these bonnet spacers too, which look sick, and you've probably just seen that when I was round there. But we'll go for screen wash first. This one's got two. We've got one with a dipstick and one that just opens up like that, as you all probably know anyway. I just diluted this screen wash in an old milk bottle 4:1 with some concentrate. I've not got a funnel, so anyone that's a clean freak, I do apologise that I'm probably going to spill loads of this. There we go, there's one done. Wasn't actually that bad, to be honest. Jesus, yeah, I must have done it quite recently. I can't remember doing it recently, but fair enough. Let's pop that cap back on. Yep, that's done. And we'll get this one in as well. Then we've got some coolant, and I did order a mushroom filter for this, but it's not arrived, unfortunately. I think it was probably a scam off the internet, which is unfortunate. It should have arrived like God knows how long ago. I did order it like 11 days ago, which is kind of poor, but it is what it is, isn't it? So now we'll go for the coolant. It's been a while since I've topped this up, if I've ever topped this up in it. Can't actually remember. I probably can't remember because I don't think I've ever taken this coolant cap off, you know. I can't. There we go. Yeah, I've definitely never done this myself. 100% not. Right, let's whack it in. I've just got some Cold Master that I've found on Amazon. It was not an eBay scam. Again, any clean freaks, I'm sorry, it's probably going to go everywhere. I will hold that there. So let's do it very gently and carefully. Ah, no. Got a bit in the battery tray, but it could be worse. We'll just fill that up to the full line. Almost there. We'll call that about full. That's bang on, happy days. I'll pop that there and we'll make sure this is definitely back on properly. yeah, she's secure, so she's full of coolant, full of screen wash. It's had an oil and filter change as well. I didn't record anything at the garage because I had to just get off and leave it and do some stuff down here, but that cost me 82 quid just from my local tyre shop, which is over there. And like I said, they just put new oil in it, which is whatever's recommended here, and a new filter as well. Next time I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to get the HKS Racing oil filter as well, just because that's cool. I saw it on CTC Performance. As for the air filter, very self-explanatory on this. I'll just like talk through it on my intake. So you've got a little clamp there, undo it. I think it's an 8 or a 10 mil, I can't remember. One's 8 and one's 10, I think, or I might have changed it, I can't quite remember. And they look both 10, to be fair. Oh no, yeah, both 10, right. We've got it eventually. So you just undo that clamp, literally pop it off. There's a little ring in there that keeps these two connected with this. Make sure that stays in there, and then your mushroom or cone, regardless of whatever it is, just sits straight on top. I'm going to just go for another cone filter though, because I don't think the mushroom would look quite as good as it does in the engine bay, and I'm not sure if it'd sound the same. If you do know the difference, like in sound and all that on these, do leave a comment, because I'll be quite interested to know, because if I can find one, I'll get a proper genuine HKS mushroom filter. That'd be quite nice. The last time I looked, they were all 86 mil though, and this is only a 76 mil, so I might have to do some 76 to 86 there to make it fit. But yeah, if you guys know anything, then just drop a comment and I will get back to you for sure. And just to end off this, I've got the sensor caps off the Swift now. They're in there being painted, although my lovely assistant has actually just stood on one, which is not ideal. But I'm going to hit them with the sander, do them. I've done my rear calipers and front calipers, they look pretty sick now, to complement the nice wheels. We'll shut this up, I'll show you the bonnet spaces as well, and you've probably seen I've took all the stickers off as well, because in my personal opinion, I thought it was a bit rice. So I'll shut this one sec. I must say the fitment is very poor with these bonnet spaces and bonnet guards now. It's hard to shut this thing. No, there we go. There we go, third time lucky. Yeah, there's the bonnet space. I'm not sure if you've actually seen the bonnet space, so if I've featured it on the channel, but yeah, that's what they look like. I think they look pretty sick. And yeah, HKS stickers have gone. What other stickers did we have? We had the Japanese one on the back, that's gone. I've done a black badge as well, that's another change that I've made since I last made a video. And the one on the bonnet guard has gone as well. Like I said, they look cool at the time, but now that I've done more to the car, right, it's sort of a cleanish car now, and I don't want to ruin it with like crap eBay stickers, so I've just decided to get rid of them all. But yeah, that's a mini service video. I'm gonna get a really nice air filter for it, because it is overdue. It's not going to be an eBay special one. I'm going to try and look for a K&N 57i filter and just try and adapt it to my kit. There's not actually that much left to do to this car. There's only, how many we've got? 1, 2, 3. I think we've only got 3 or 4 more mods to this, and it will be my perfect Swift. So you've joined me along the way, and if anyone's watched it from the start, then thank you very much for watching it, because the transformation's been unreal since I bought the car like 2 years ago. And I remember it being bone stock, and it looked nice, but then I started doing stuff to it, and now it just looks even nicer in my opinion. After that, it's just going to be getting it into the body shop to tart up scuffs and paint chips, just to make it look super clean, get the calipers professionally done, and I think after that she genuinely will be 100% complete. And there's a dent in the door as well, and I don't know how the hell that's got there, but I'm going to do that myself. But yeah, thanks again for watching this video. Leave a like, and I will catch you hopefully next week.